Welcome to my YouTube channel, Yoga with Sandeep. How are you, everybody? I hope you're doing well. So, today we will practice handstand and core together. So, let's start now. Complete. Okay, sit on the Vajrasana. Sit on the Vajrasana. Your knees little wider. Hands here. The first is the neck exercise. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. 3 more round. Inhale. Exhale. 1 more. Inhale. Exhale. This center. Look forward. The sit on the heels. Now you have to practice the arch back. Inhale. Use your back. Open your shoulder. Push your shoulder back. Use back. Exhale. Your stomach in. Back out. Look down. 3 down. Inhale. Arch back. Exhale. 4. Inhale. Exhale. 2 more round. Inhale. Exhale. 1 more. Inhale. Exhale. Okay. Look forward. Interlock your finger. Stretch your hands and shoulder. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. 3 round. Inhale. Exhale. 1 more round. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, come to the cat pose. Okay, your hands under your shoulder and your hands and your knees is equal line. Now use your arch back. Inhale. Flat your toes. Exhale. 3 times each exercise. Inhale. Stretch the lower back. Exhale. 1 more. Inhale. Exhale. The center. Okay. Move your hands, your finger inside. Both hands. Okay. Your knees little back. Inhale. This forward your body. Exhale. Stretch your stomach in. Focus on your core. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale. Focus on your core. Feel your stomach, your hands. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, move it. Go to the child pose. Relax your back, knee wider. Hold some second. Take the 3 to 4 breaths. Okay, come forward. And your hands little open and your knees back. Up your both feet and together. Okay, open your hands. Inhale and look forward. Keep the back straight. Don't lower like this. Okay? Don't use your arms back. Keep the back straight. Okay? And move forward. Use your strength and exhale. Keep the feet up. Inhale and look forward. Keep the back straight. Exhale. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, 1 more. Okay, inhale. Look forward. Focus on your stomach, your arm, and look forward. Exhale. Okay, now have to go to mountain pose, downward facing dog. Press your shoulder and your feet together. More. Inhale, come to the plank. Exhale, downward facing dog. Press shoulder, keep your legs straight, tight your stomach. Inhale, exhale. Two more time. Inhale, exhale. Focus on your stomach and tight your abs. Feel your stomach tight. One more. Inhale. Hold it. 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Okay, 4. Press shoulder. 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Do it again and look forward. Take the 1 foot in the hips level. Keep the back straight. Body weight on your hand. 80% body weight on your hands. 4, 3. Wide your finger. 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Okay, another side. Inhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Go to the child pose. 3 or 4 breathe. 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, rotate your hands. Just relax your hand. Opposite side. Okay, next is the side plank. Come to the plank, hands your straight and your feet width together. To the right side. Okay, keep the both feet together, hips higher, and raise the right hand up and look up. Exhale. Inhale. Keep the feet together. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more and hold it. Inhale. 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Inhale the left side. Feel your right love handle when you move the left side. 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Okay, drop your knee and go to the child pose. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, exhale. Now jump. Okay, stand it. Bend knee. Inhale, exhale. The hands down. Okay, move up your heels and jumps back plank. Bend your elbow. Inhale, exhale. Okay, jump forward. Inhale, exhale. Okay, from this again jump back. Inhale, exhale. Bend elbow. Inhale, exhale. Okay, 2 more round. Inhale, exhale. 1 more. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Last. Inhale, exhale. Okay. Next, try to make balance on your hand. Okay. If you cannot make a balance, cannot find a balance, you should take your mat near the wall to try to make balance. Okay. The first, okay, first your feet, walk your feet forward. Okay, and move your body weight on your hand and tight your abs. Look at the left feet up and right leg bend and jump it down. Okay, take the mat near the wall. If you cannot make balance, try with the wall. Okay, but step by step. Okay, do it again. Look. Okay, left leg up. Inhale, up. Move. Exhale. If you feel your ribs will tire, and then you rotate your hand. Just relax for your hand. Sit side. Okay. Move again. Walk your forward, your feet. Move. Look at here. Move. Like this. Try to move your body weight on your hand from the legs. Move. And try to slow leave your wall like this. And you should be widen your finger and bend your finger little bit. When you make balance, then your finger will stretch. But if you cannot make balance, you should be bend your finger and find your balance. Look at here. Okay, just slow. Focus on your hand and your core strength. Inhale, exhale. Deep inhale and deep exhale and move it. When you find the balance, Then you take a breath. First deep inhale and deep exhale, and slow your hands, leg up, and try to find your balance. Got it? Okay, do it again. Look here. Walk your feet forward. Inhale, exhale, and move. Focus. Try it. Then you slow up your feet. Then you slow find your balance. Okay? Practice with ball. If you have partner, so you can practice with your partner. The partner will stand front of you. He can help or she can help you to make balance. If you don't have partner, so you have to practice with the ball. Here. Find your balance. Hold it. Handstand and a core. When you do together, easy to can handstand. But you have to strong your core, then you can do. Okay? Second way. Okay, if you cannot jump, so directly your feet will on the wall and back here straight. Okay, and then the left leg up and slow move, leave and move this like this. This is an easy way, okay, to make strong your strength. Then you easy to do your hands balanced. But you should be remember your core will be strong. Then you easy to do. Next, with the handstand, you go to the chakrasana. Okay, the comfort of your mat. Okay, then you have to jump and use your back. Jump and go to chakrasana. Okay, have to make balance and try it. Jump back. Your hands, shoulder, your core strength will help you to do handstand. Okay, this video for beginner to the advanced who want to make handstand and core strength, the combine with one video. Okay, see you the next day, 29. Thank you.